Oxfam! You can help too! What is Oxfam? Oxfam is a charity that helps people all over the world. Oxfam started in Oxford in 1942 when a group of people decided to help victims of famine. The group was called the Oxford Committee for Famine Relief, but the name soon became Oxfam. Today, Oxfam works in more than 70 countries around the world to make people's lives better. What does Oxfam do? Oxfam helps people who are poor, hungry, or in trouble. Oxfam sends helpers to different countries to work with local people and try to find solutions to poverty and other problems. Oxfam trains health workers, builds schools, gives food and shelter, and makes sure that people have clean water to drink. Oxfam also helps people in natural disasters, like floods or hurricanes. What can you do? Here are some simple ways you can help. Raise money for Oxfam. There are lots of fun ways to raise money. Why not organise a concert or a sporting event at your school and sell tickets? Or perhaps you could make cakes and sweets and sell them to people. Give an Oxfam gift. Are you looking for a special gift for a friend? When you buy an Oxfam gift, your friend will get a card, and Oxfam will send a gift to a poor country. The gift can be something like a meal, clean water, a tree or a goat. Sometimes a few friends put their money together to buy a big gift, like a water tank, to give clean water to a whole village. Read and learn. It is important to learn about what is happening in the world. Read newspapers and use the internet to learn more about the world we live in. There are lots of ideas for schools on the Oxfam website, with information about disasters, famine, clean water, and environmental subjects. When you know about the problems in the world, you can start to look for solutions. Spread the word. Your friends and family care about what you think, so tell them your ideas. What do you want to change in the world? How do you think we can make that change? Talking to people is the first step to making things happen. You can find people with the same opinions and ideas and work together to make your world a better place.